guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and this is Jen's Happy Home. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to be updated every time I have a new and fun video to share. I usually share a lot of cleaning, organizing. I do some travel vlogs, a lot of Disney stuff, and there's just really a lot of different content on my channel, and I would love to have you subscribe. So the month of March, I really didn't have a lot of favorites. And something that I've really been excited to share with you guys is my favorite cleaners. So especially since we are kicking off spring cleaning, finally it's spring and I feel a little bit more motivated to get the house clean. And I really just want to share with you guys a lot of my favorite cleaning supplies over the years. So I figured for the month of March, rather than doing a favorites video like I typically do at the end of every month, I would just share with you my favorite cleaning products that I have recently been using quite often. I've been using it a little more frequently these last couple of weeks, just trying to get the house nice and clean for the upcoming summer months. So first of all, the Honest Company actually came out with some new cleaning supplies, and this dish soap by the Honest Company is really great. It has a wonderful smell. The scent of this one is Coastal Surf, so I just kind of like it because it has kind of a beachy smell, very fresh and light and really nice, and it really does clean the dishes well. And if you're not familiar with the Honest Company, a lot of their products, or I would say their products, are primarily geared towards like chemical free, safe to use, you know, especially if you have young children, you like to use very safe and chemical free products in your house. So I always like using the Honest Company products. And then they also have this multi-purpose cleaner. This is Grapefruit Grove is the name of the scent, and it says made without dyes, ammonia, synthetic fragrances, chlorine bleach, just like it's really the safer choice. And I do like this. It has a nice citrus smell to it, and I've been using this a lot lately for cleaning, and I'm really enjoying the Honest Company products. These are the only two that I've tried thus far. Like I said, I think it's relatively new. I've only recently noticed it in the stores, but it is working really great. And another cleaner that I've actually been using for many years now that is a favorite of mine is this Pledge Multi-Surface. And I probably mentioned it at least once before on one of my favorites videos, but this is really great. I even use it on my wood furniture. I use it on my countertops. Again, I guess I just really like that citrus kind of like orange or clementine smell. I just think it's fresh and nice in the house. And this is also 99% natural, so I highly recommend it. Again, I do like the Honest Company products, and it has become a new favorite of mine, but this is definitely tried and true. I have been using this Pledge multi-surface cleaner for years and years now, and I really like it, and I especially love the fragrance of this one, and it really does a great job of cleaning up. And when you just want to grab like one bottle of spray and just go around the house and wipe things down, you can pretty much use this for all of your countertops and tabletops and wood furniture and everything. So I really like using this one. Now when I do my like really good detailed dusting around the house, when I do the bedroom furniture and all of that, I also like another Pledge product. This is the Pledge Orange Clean, ironically, and this also says it reduces allergens while dusting, which is important to me because I think we do have a lot of allergies in this house. I know my eyes lately have just been really itchy and watery. You know, I don't know if it's the dust or what, but I like to try to wipe things down as often as I can. And I really do like this Pledge furniture spray. Now this one really isn't so much an all-purpose spray. I only use this on my furniture because it does have a little bit more of like a greasy texture to it, if you know what I'm talking about. Typically furniture sprays are a little bit more greasy and they polish and shine the furniture. So for that purpose, I do like to use this. Another product that I have grown to love over the years is the Mrs. Meyer Clean Day, and this is just the big jug that I use to refill my spray bottles. This scent is the Lemon Verbena, I believe that's how you say it, Lemon Verbena, Verbena, I don't know. But this is the lemon scent, and I also have, I believe it's called Honeysuckle, and I like that one a lot. I'm just about out of that one, but that is also a very pleasant fragrance. And I use this for mopping the floors. You just put like a little dash of it. If you have those mops that you can kind of refill the container that holds the cleaner, that's what I prefer to use. And this works really well. It smells really great. It's really a great bathroom cleaner, and I really like this a lot. So the Mrs. Meyer products really do have very pleasant scents for the home as well. So I would recommend you know, maybe smelling it before you buy it though, because even some of the more popular ones, like I believe there's like an apple cider one, I wasn't crazy about it, and I know it was like all the rave back in the fall, but I thought it was like not that great. I like my orange scents better. So make sure that you do smell it, because especially if you buy a big jug like this is gonna last forever. This lasts me like over a year, so make sure you like it, but it does work very well. And our house is primarily hardwood floors, so for the hardwood floors, I like to use this Bona hardwood floor cleaner. This is the big refill bottle that I also fill into, you know, my floor cleaner mop thing with the canister in the back where you can just fill it up. I like this product because it is Green Guard Gold, so it means this product is certified for low chemical emissions, which is important to me. Again, I don't like to use any harsh chemicals in my house. And this Bona floor cleaner really does a good job of cleaning your hardwood floors. It just kind of makes them shiny. It just returns the luster. My floors are very old. If you're not familiar with my channel, our house is over 100 years old. So we have very old hardwood floors that have been refinished many, many times, and they're pretty beat up. So I do need something like this that adds a little bit of shine when they are starting to look really dull. And I thought I would also include my favorite laundry detergent. This is just one that I always seem to come back to. Even though I try other types of laundry detergent, I'm always trying to find something that, again, is chemical free and safe, but I'm really having a hard time. And I really like the all free and clear. So I've tried a lot of the different free and clear products. I've tried Tide and other ones as well, but I really, really do like the all free and clear. Again, it's just one that I'm always coming back to. I'll try other things and then I will just end up, by default, I always end up using this one. But if you have one that you recommend, I would love to know in the comments down below, especially if it's something that is chemical free, as well as fabric softener. I use the balls, but they really don't help with static, and static has been really bad this winter. So I went back to like the Bounce Free and Clear dryer sheets, and I use them in conjunction with the dryer balls. But if you guys have any recommendations on that as well, because I really haven't found a dryer sheet or a fabric softener or anything like that that I really like to use, because again, I don't like to add chemicals to my clothing. So that's something that I've been trying to cut out of my laundry cleaning routine. But if you do have recommendations, I would love to know about it. And then I just have a few more to share with you guys. This is a very traditional, this is the Windex, but this is the vinegar Windex, which I really like for cleaning the windows and for cleaning, you know, mirrors and glass. Any glass, I don't like to use a multi-surface cleaner. I just feel like it doesn't do as well enough of a job. So I really like to use the Windex, whether it's the traditional Windex or this with the vinegar. So that is definitely something that I use pretty much daily. And for bathroom cleaners, I've been using this Method foaming bathroom cleaner, and this is the eucalyptus mint. I really like the smell of this as well. This is the foamy cleaner. I prefer spray. I actually didn't even realize that this was foamy when I bought it. I don't know why. I just feel like I get better coverage when I spray something rather than having the foam. But I do really like this scent, and I do recommend it for cleaning your bathroom. But I would definitely get the spray next time. But the Method products do work relatively well. I have never had an issue with them. And I typically get them for my multi-purpose cleaners all the time. And then finally, the Method toilet bowl cleaner. This is the anti-bac toilet. It's an antibacterial toilet cleaner, and this is a spearmint fragrance, and this works really good too. I keep one in my upstairs bathroom and one in my downstairs bathroom, and you just give it a little swoosh and clean it, you know, every other day, whatever you need to do. But it does last a long time. As often as I have used it, it has really lasted me quite some time. So those are all of my favorite cleaners. I hope that you enjoyed this video, but I thought this was appropriate just to kind of kick off spring cleaning, and I will have some organizing and decluttering and cleaning videos coming up in the near future. And again, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram. Take care. Bye.